Hey everybody, Redheaded Rebel here, and I wanted to show you the all-new Lomax Stance Hard Tri-Folding Truck Bed Cover. This has a beautiful black urethane finish. It's aluminum, so it's solid. It's sealed on all four sides, and it goes vertical for virtually 100% truck bed access. Now, I haven't actually used this cover, so the guys put it on the truck last week, so let's see here if I can figure it out. You drop the tailgate. It's got cords right here that you can pull for a dual locking system. As you can see, the nice rubber seals. It folds up. Now, if you notice, this is also locked down. So you pull this cord here and then tilt it to the next way. Now, we can run this way. If you come to the front, it's got these the straps that you can hook, and we can run it this way. Or we can go totally vertical for virtually 100% truck bed access. So if you're hauling the big fridge, pull this down and it unlocks it. And of course, I should have left the front cords hooked, I'm thinking. So we got these cords hooked on both sides. Not sure if that's needed or not for this, but we're gonna go totally vertical. It's got these built-in rigid links, and it sticks to a hook on the top here, and it's magnetic. So there's two things holding it, hooks around there, and it's magnetic. It's really pretty tight there. And we'll do the same thing with the other side. Voila. Now this is hooked in there, so you can haul big stuff. And of course, sometimes people had said, well, this blocks the whole back window. Well, so does the big stuff. So when you're hauling big stuff, you're using your big mirrors on the side. Anyway, now you can load her up. If you're done with that, then of course, and it's time to run your truck like you normally do, which is probably gonna be with the cover closed. Which, by the way, this goes on the inside bed rail, or bed of the truck, so it does work with bed rails like this, or the Atarack truck rack, security, all four-sided seals, function. Oops, gonna unhook my cords here. All right, that is it. You can get them at rhrswag.com. I'm sure you can get them elsewhere too, but I'd love it, and we'd love it if you got it at rhrswag.com. Lomax Stance Hard Tri-Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Thank you.